These days, naging busy talaga ako. Kaya I make sure na kahit saan man ako magpunta, I'm updated with all the latest happenings. And I want to make sure that I share these updates with my friends instantly. Thanks to my Globe postpaid and my BlackBerry Curve 9220, I can easily share all my kwentos with my friends, anytime, anywhere. Okay, tara? Okay, kita-kits. Hi, kayo, kamusta?
Hi, guys!
Hi!
Kate! So, what's the good news?
Alam nyo ba that with Globe Postpaid My Super Plan and BlackBerry, we can get free and exclusive access. Plus, you can get the latest BlackBerry Curve and lots of freebies.
Wow, okay yan ha.
Exciting!
Grace, gusto rin namin yan.
We want to watch Case. Pero paano?
Just get a Globe Postpaid My Super Plan, $4.99 plus a 99 peso BlackBerry chat to get a free BlackBerry Curve 9220 and one free and exclusive ticket to the Nicki Minaj concert. You can also avail of a Globe BlackBerry Unli-Surf combo, $999 to get a free BlackBerry Curve 9320 and get 2 free tickets to the Nicki Minaj concert.
Wow, let's apply now.
Okay, tara! Talagang excited na kami for Nicki Minaj. Kaya guys, huwag nang magpuli for the biggest freebies ever only from Globe. The #1 in postpaid. And live on House of 2012, the Nicki Minaj Fever is on. So take a sneak peek of Nicki Minaj hits with me, G-Force,